Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture set. So I've never used this product personally because I don't need it. So I'm just going to be telling you based on the Amazon reviews here. And as you can see from the store rating here, it's not looking good so far. But let's give it the benefit of the doubt first. So what is this? This is a silicone teeth, sorry, for your teeth, obviously. So you have to soak it in hot water here, right? Soak it in hot water and you just pop it in your mouth, and then you'll have a new teeth for a perfect smile, for your new perfect smile, right? They advertise a couple of things like Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture set. Our design provides a secure fit and exceptional comfort, transform your smile instantly, and achieve a perfect smile, quality and safety, flawless for any occasion, right? So there's a lot of things they advertise, but now let's go look at the reviews here. So this is on Amazon.co.uk. So our reviews here can be trusted since it's not coming from their own website, right? So let's go check the reviews here right now. So there's a lot of things they say. Customers have negative opinions about the value for money and plastic teeth of the personal care appliance. They mention it's a waste of money and not even useful for Halloween, right? So even the last line there, not even useful for Halloween, that's a pretty rough review. And let's read some of the reviews here. Don't be fooled into thinking this kit will enable you to have perfect teeth. It won't. They are very cheap for a reason. Absolutely awful. They came late, cheap plastic teeth that only covered the front, not a full denture, right? So from a couple of these reviews, you could probably see what the vibe of this product is. They're cheap for a reason. So they don't have the price listed here because this item gonna be dispatched your selected option, my country. But I don't think it's not even silicone reline here because a lot of people say it's plastic. So based on the review here, you'll need to make your own judgment on this.